Hello, readers and writers. It's Mrs. Meekings. This week, we're going to be learning about sensory words and feelings in poetry. Authors use words to convey or show feelings. They can make us feel emotions, such as scared or happy. Let's take a look at a poem. And while I'm reading it, I want you to be thinking about words or phrases that help to show feelings. My lucky shirt. This is my favorite red shirt. Never have I taken my shirt near dirt. My red shirt is better than my other clothes. It never leaves my side, everyone knows. One day my brother spilled his drink. It spread all over my shirt like black ink. Now my shirt is stained and my heart feels pained. I'll never get it clean again, I think. In this poem, the author uses lots of words and phrases to make us feel emotion. In the beginning of the poem, he uses that word favorite. When something is your favorite, you know you love it. My red shirt is better than my other clothes. Again, letting you know that the author really loves this shirt. Down here, the author writes, "It spread all over my shirt like black ink." Well, I know black ink is not good. And something spreads all over like black ink, it's probably ruined. And my heart feels pained. I think this author is letting us know that pretty sad that his lucky shirt is ruined. In this poem, the author used lots of words and phrases to make us feel emotion. Authors also use sensory words that pertains or are connected to one of the five senses: hearing, smell, taste, sight, or touch. Let's take a look at this poem and think about what words or phrases the author is using for sensory words. The crab. Here we are at the beach. I need to keep my toes in reach. I think I just felt a hard shell. Maybe it's a crab, but it's hard to tell. Snap, 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 I hear the claws. I ran out of the water without a pause. Was it a crab? I really don't know. But back in the water is where I won't go. Did you hear some of the sensory words and phrases? Snap, snap, snap appeals to the sense of hearing. I can hear the crab snap, snap, snap of the claws. I also for touch. I think I just felt a hard shell. The author is writing there that he thinks he felt the hard shell of a crab. Here the author uses words or phrases to appeal to one of the five senses. So let's review. Authors use words to show emotion or feelings. We can be sad or happy, surprised or scared, angry. Or sometimes poems show persistence, someone who will never give up. Authors can also use words that pertain or are connected to our five senses. Here, sense of hearing, smell, taste, sight, or touch. Okay, readers and writers. Now we are going to listen to another poem. And while we're listening to this poem, I want you to be listening for words or phrases that appeal to your emotions or appeal to one of your five senses. Let's take a listen.
Oh, I can laugh and I can sing and I can scream and shout, but when I try to whistle, the whistle won't come out. I shape my lips the proper way, make 'em small and round, but when I blow, just air comes out. There is no whistling sound. But I'll keep trying very hard to whistle loud and clear, and someday soon I'll whistle tunes for everyone to hear.
All right. Did you listen for some clue words for emotions or senses? Let's take a look. Here is my chart that I made. Now, readers and writers, lots of times when you're listening to poetry, you have to listen, pause it, and then start again. And you can do that when you listen to poems for today's work. Words are phrases that appeal to my senses: shape of my lips, small and round, blow, loud, hear. Words are phrases that appeal to my emotions: laugh, sing, try, no whistling sound, and keep trying. Those are just some examples of some senses and some emotion words in this poem. You can always go back and listen to it again. So, readers and writers, today you will listen to a poem and you will fill in your chart. Your teacher will share this with you separately to work on. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Here is your work that you'll be working on. When you work on it today, readers and writers, if you hit the present key, it will make it nice and big. So what you're going to do is you are going to listen to the entire poem first. Then listen to the poem again and listen for sensory or emotion words. You can stop the poem to write your thoughts and then start it again. Listen to the poem as many times as you need to. Your poem is here, and this is the sheet that you'll fill out. You can make this, just draw two boxes. In the top, write the senses words, and the bottom, write the emotion words. Remember, you may need to listen to the poem a couple different times. Also, readers and writers, I included the entire book of poems if you would like to listen to them. I know I enjoy listening to poetry. Okay, readers and writers, let's get started listening to a poem and writing down words that appeal to my senses or to my emotions.